Hello students, today I'll continue with the topics. So I'll just come to the screen. We were doing spreadsheet packages, MS Excel, and let's do some more features today. The next topic is set page layout. In this topic, we'll decide how to create the layout of any of the workbook that we are working with, right? Now, layout can be viewed or it can be modified with the help of a page layout button which is there on the status bar, or you go to the view tab and from the view tab you can change this page layout view. Now what happen is when you click on this, you'll find the whole sheet will be divided into pages, and then you can see what all kind of how many rows and how many columns and whatever data will come on one single page, and then what else will come to the next page. So in fact we'll get the layout where we can see एक पेज के ऊपर कितना कंटेंट आ रहा है, right? So this we can view from this page layout button at the status bar, or you go to the view tab on the top, वहाँ पे भी आपको option मिलेगा page layout का, right? Now here if you see, we the ruler bar is there, and from this ruler bar you can adjust the margins, like top margin, bottom margin, left and right margin that you can adjust. Or the second way is go to page layout, you'll find margin option. From there you can change the margins, right? See, page layout and then margin, right? The moment you click here, you'll get a drop down list in which we have already some predefined options जो पहले से हैं, उनको आपको चूज करना है. जैसे उसमें नैरो ऑप्शन है, नैरो will reduce the uh, page margin, and then you can have a normal margin also. You can increase and decrease the margin from there also, right? And if you want to set your own margin spaces, then you have to go with the custom margin option, which is on in the same option. When you click here, the last option which comes in that drop down list will be custom margin. Now when you click on the custom margin, you see here, when you click on this margin, last but option is custom margin. Now when you click here, you get this interface from where you can just type the margin that you want to give from top, bottom, left and right option. Right? You just have to type, like this is 0.75, you can change it 0.5, 0.25, 1, whatever number you want to give, that is inches. This displays the things in inches, right? So just type the numbers, type the margin that you want to give, and then click OK button. Then we have an orientation option from where we can change either, we can change the display in portrait mode or landscape mode. This is the portrait mode. Just width is less, length is more, and in landscape the length is less and the width is more. So these two are different portraits orientations that you can select. Again, this lies in the page layout tab, and we have orientation option. Then there is a button called as set print area. Now this helps us to select the part of the spreadsheet that you want to print, right? Now if you want to print some particular portion of the spreadsheet, I want some portion only to be printed. So you just go with set print area, then select that part that you want to uh, use, right? See, this is the option, print area, set print area. When you click here, then you can just drag the things on the screen. So whatever you have selected in that particular sheet, उतना ही print page पे आएगा, right? Then you can also clear it from the clear print area option. Just set print area के नीचे ही option होता है clear print area. So you just click on that option. See here, clear print area. So this will clear the area that you have selected for printing. Then we can change the page size. These are all different page sizes available, and these all page sizes are also there in the page setup group, right? In the page layout tab. Letter is one size. The most common one that we use is A4 size. and then we have some other sizes also. You just have to select the one that you want to apply, right? Again, if you want to go with some more different kind of size, so for that we have this more paper sizes option. Just click here, then you have to specify the length breadth there, and just click OK to apply that size, right? Then we can also put some background to any of the worksheet, like if you want to put a background image or some picture as a background or some shape as a background, so that we can do. Now how do we apply this background? For that you have to go page layout tab again. वहाँ पे पेज सेटअप ग्रुप के अंदर बैकग्राउंड ऑप्शन होगा, just click on that, then select the image. There will be one browse button like this. Choose the image that you want to apply and click on this insert button. So this will apply a background. Whatever image you have selected will come as a background to the worksheet, right? And similarly, there's a delete background option also available. From there you can delete the same. Then we can also show the grid lines. Grid lines होती हैं ये जो background में lines दिख रही हैं आपको, अगर आपके line को hide करना है या दिखाना है, so that we can change here. उसके लिए ये grid lines, there's an option in the sheet option tab, a sheet option group. So if you click on this view, so these lines will be visible. If you click on this, if you remove this tick, if you select here and the stick is removed, then these lines that we see on the sheet will not be visible, right? The option also lies in the page layout tab, in the sheet option, in the grid lines. This is the option, right? And if you select this print checkbox, print में क्या होता है कि lines जो है आपको print में भी दिखाई देंगी जब आप प्रिंट आउट लोगे. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट प्रिंट आउट में अगर आपने बॉर्डर्स नहीं अप्लाई किए हैं तो द लाइंस आर नॉट शोन, राइट? बट इफ यू वांट टू शो द लाइन, देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट दिस प्रिंट ऑप्शन, right? Then we can also set some headings. As you see here, just next to that grid lines option, we have headings option. Now, if you click on this view, so that heading that you wish to apply on the top most heading will be visible. Otherwise, it will not be visible, right? And that just to, if you want to print that heading, then you have to go with that print option. You have to select this print button. So वो print out में भी आपको वो heading जो है वो show करेगा, right? Now let's have a look on these files. So the first one was the page layout. If you see here, the bottom, the second middle option is page layout. आप यहाँ पे क्लिक कर लो या व्यू में जाएंगे, व्यू टैब में you'll find page layout option. So this will show you the pages, how the pages will be visible. So whatever data you have on the sheet will be divided into pages now. Fine. Now if you want to change the margins, for that we have page layout tab. इसमें margins option है, ये normal margin है, मैं आपको page layout में ही दिखाता हूँ. This is normal by default. If you go with narrow, तो ये margins कम हो जाएंगे, top, middle, right, center सारे वाले, और wide में ज़्यादा हो जाएगा margin is increased. And if you want to change this margin as per your requirements, go to custom margin. This is 2.5 right now, so you can make it whatever number, 1 on the top, right? Like 1 on the bottom, and I want 0.5 here, 0.5 this side, right side. So click on apply to apply the settings, right? Similarly, this is orientation. By default, it is portrait. You can change this into landscape. Landscape में आपकी length कम होगी, width ज़्यादा होगी, और portrait में length ज़्यादा है, width कम है. And then of course we have different sizes: letter, tabloid, legal, statement. A4 is the most commonly used. By default, it is letter, right? So the sizes are also given. Like in letters, letter size is 21.59 centimeter by 27.94 centimeters. A4 is 21 by 29.7 centimeters. So these are the sizes, ready-made sizes that you can just have to select. जस्ट लीगल करना है तो लीगल पे क्लिक किया तो लीगल साइज अप्लाई हो जाएगा, राइट. एंड A4 करना है तो A4 पे क्लिक करो, A4 साइज अप्लाई हो जाएगा. और इफ यू वांट टू चेंज इट, go to more paper sizes, right? And then from here you can change the paper size, right? See, some other sizes are also available, right? Then we have this print area. Now if I'm selecting this much area, I want only this much to be printed, बाकी मैं print नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, so I'll select this and click on set print area. The moment I click here, you'll find a dotted line is shown here. So this indicates that when I go with the print option, I'll see only this much. जब मैं प्रिंट निकालूंगा तो मुझे सिर्फ इसके अंदर वाली वैल्यूज प्रिंट होंगी, बाहर वाली नहीं होंगी, राइट. आई हैव टाइप्ड सम नंबर्स देयर, so the numbers which are inside this box 1 2, they will be shown in the print, and this 4 4 will not show, right. Now if you go with the print preview button, you'll see 1 and 2 is shown, 4 4 is not shown, because that is outside the print area, right. So this is how we can select some portion of the sheet as a print area. Or if you want to remove this print area, there's an option called as clear print area, so click on that. Now the print area is removed. Now if you see the print layout, you'll find all numbers are shown, fine. Then next is background. As you see, the background option again there in the page setup. From here you choose the image that you wish to apply as a background, so choose whatever image you wish to apply. जैसे ये एक पिक्चर है untitled something something, I'll just insert this, so this will come as a background. It's a formula kind of thing, it's an image basically, so the image is there. So if you want to remove this image, click on this delete background button. You can apply any kind of image, right. Then this is grid lines option. View पे क्लिक करें, किया हुआ है, व्यू हटा देंगे तो आपको लाइंस दिखनी बंद हो जाएंगी. व्यू से आपको ये लाइंस दिखेंगी, ग्रिड लाइंस. ऐसे ही व्हेन यू गो विद द प्रिंट ऑप्शन, यहाँ पे आपको लाइंस नहीं दिखती हैं बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट, और अगर यहाँ से हम प्रिंट को सेलेक्ट कर लें तो प्रिंट आउट में भी आपको लाइंस दिखेंगी, राइट. सिमिलरली हेडिंग्स, by default headings will be shown, and in print area it will not be shown. You see, when you click on print area, these headings A B C D E and these row numbers are also shown. Now if you see the print out, these headings are also shown, fine. So this is how we can do certain kind of settings over here, right. Okay, moving further, we have different types of views. These are 5 types of views which we can apply. By default, the normal view is selected. Page layout we have just seen. Another one is page break view, where you can see the darker lines indicates, the dotted line indicates where the page is ending. So you can just drag these lines to rearrange your page. Then we have a custom view option, from where you can change your own or create your own kind of view. And then full screen view is there, where only the sheet area is shown on the full screen, right. This is a normal view. Page layout view, as we have just seen, one single page is shown, right. Page layout you can set from this page layout button in the status bar also. And this is page break view, where you see wherever you have added the page breaks, वो आपको ब्लू लाइन से इंडिकेट करेगा कि यहाँ पे पेज एंड हो जाएगा. So this is page 1, this is page 2, right? So we have done this page break view earlier too also. And in custom views, you can create your own kind of view, right? So here we have some specific display settings, like if you want to hide certain rows and columns, and if you want to do some printer settings, print setting, if we want headers and footers to be shown or not. So such kind of second settings we can go do with this, right? How do we add a view? Just click on this add button in the custom view option, then give a name to the view, and if you want to use the print settings, then you have to tick this. And if you want to show all the rows and columns and other things that you have hidden, that you have that are hide, so if you want to show that particular lines or the columns or rows also, then you have to select this, right? So just click OK, so that view will be applied. And to delete custom view, we have in the view tab in the workbook views group, we have custom view option, और जहाँ पे ऐड बटन था उसी के नीचे डिलीट बटन है. क्लिक ऑन डिलीट एंड क्लिक ऑन यस टू डिलीट इट फॉर कंफर्मेशन. ये फुल स्क्रीन मोड है, आपको ऊपर का रिबन नहीं दिखेगा और सिर्फ शीट जो है वो फुल स्क्रीन पे दिखेगी, राइट? And if you want to go back to the normal screen, then you have to press escape key from the keyboard. तो आप नॉर्मल व्यू पे चले जाओगे, राइट? और राइट क्लिक करो और क्लोज फुल स्क्रीन ऑप्शन होगा, उस पर क्लिक करने पे you come back to the normal. Then is how do we work with multiple windows? Now if you are working with more than one windows, how will you handle that? तो व्यू टैब के अंदर विंडोज ग्रुप में ये न्यू विंडो बटन है, right? So just click on this button, and this will help us to arrange the windows. Arranging कैसे होंगी? Tiled, horizontal, vertical, cascade. These are the four options, right? So tiled, as you see, एक विंडो आपको ऊपर दिख रही है, एक विंडो नीचे दिख रही है. तो ये बुक 1 ऊपर है, बुक 2 नीचे है. So दो शीट्स खुली हुई हैं, दोनों आपकी टाइल्ड दिखेंगी, राइट? This is horizontal view, right? So one after the another in horizontal way. So likewise, you can make these changes. You can choose a tiled view also. You can choose a vertical view also, a cascade view also. Vertical and cascade are almost similar, right? Let's have a look over this in Excel. So first of all, let's see all types of views. In the view tab, this is a normal view that we generally see. पेज लेआउट, जिसमें पेज पूरा एक एक पेज कैसा प्रिंट आउट में आएगा वैसा दिखेगा. पेज ब्रेक पे आपको ब्लू लाइन इंडिकेट करती है द पेज विल एंड हेयर, so you can decrease the size by tracking these lines, right? And then this is full screen. The other ribbons and all, they are hidden now. So to close this full screen mode, right click, close full screen button पे click करो या escape key दबाओ keyboard से. So we'll come back to the normal view now. And this is the custom view. From here you can add, give a name to the view, printer settings और hidden rows डालनी है तो ओके कर दो. तो ये इससे आपका एक नया व्यू ऐड हो जाएगा. दिस इज न्यू व्यू that we have added over here, right? So or if you want to delete that view that we have added, so just click on delete button. ये जो हमने नाम दिया था my, उसको वो remove कर देगा, right? Then after this we have after views, the next thing left is, okay, let's see this multiple windows option also. See, this is a new window option. Fine. Now we have opened this thing in two windows. Now book one, also book two. Two windows, as you can see, we have opened up, right? This was the first one. This is the second one. If you want to arrange, अगर हम tiled करते हैं तो ये by default tiled है. Tiled ये है, एक शीट यहाँ पे खुल गई, एक इस तरफ खुल गई, right? Both these sheets are open, right? So two copies of the sheets are created, right? And if you go with horizontal, so एक शीट ऊपर चले जाएगी, एक शीट नीचे आ जाएगी. So one file is here, one file is there. So two windows we can open, right? Vertical, it will divide the things into two equal parts, and cascade is one after the another, which is no fall. As you see, this is book two, ये नीचे वाला book one है, ठीक है, and this is book two, right? So this is how we can arrange them in some order to help us, right? If you want to, like if you want to compare both two sheets simultaneously, मुझे कुछ data यहाँ से देखना है, कुछ इधर वाली sheet से देखना है, so this option help us to arrange these windows so that we can see both the things simultaneously, both the sheets, right? So that's all from my side. So I'll end up. So just practice these things at home. Try and do these things on your systems, on your PCs, and come back with your doubts and problems that you have. That's all from my side. Goodbye.